From all corners of the globe to the heart of South Africa, the future is gathering for the G20 Global Scholars Program. November 2025 marks a turning point, as young minds from around the world unite to discuss the issues that matter most: climate change, education inequality, global health crises. These aren't distant issues. They affect us all, especially the youth, seizing the momentum to build resilience for a future of sustainable, inclusive growth. Geopolitical resilience, the new board imperative, reimagining economic growth in Africa, turning diversity into opportunity, a peek at the future health and wealth of our global economy. On the ground, they see the challenges and the incredible resilience that shape real change. With guidance from the world's best, scholars turn ideas into actionable plans, driving sustainable and inclusive growth in G20 economies. The future belongs to those who shape it. Are you ready to lead? Your voice, your future, your world. Always remember, knowledge speaks.